There we are, QFO 64, 37,000 feet, 520 knots, on its way to Sydney, coming back from Joburg. It's the second sprayer today I've seen. There you go, look at that. Looks like it started it over there. Like, that's where it started there. You bastard. Oh, this is the bit where I get to burn my eyeballs out. See right there, people go, look, there's no plane. No, there is a plane. It's just I'm not zoomed in enough. There it is, see? So Melbourne gets a sunny day on a Saturday. Oh, sorry about that. I'm moving. And we've got sprayers attacking our sunny day. Thank you very much. Sure, by this afternoon we'll have some coloured clouds in the sky and akimbo around the sun. I haven't seen this plane for a little while. Well, not spraying anyway, but here we are. That's funny, I could hear a plane engine there, but I'm sure it's not that one. They're playing the distance, doing a turn to the airport. Now there's our persistent contrail, apparently. Fairly persistent, isn't it? There he goes, out of sight. You get back to Sydney, you bastard. So what else happens this afternoon? Melbourne gets sun, and then we get chemtrails. Fantastic. There you are, there's the DNA spray. You can see the spooky way it does. Look, there's like leaving letters in the sky. Have a look at it. Does a spooky spray, this one. I see some people saying, oh, it's, you know, something to do with UFO. No, that's the UFO, but this is a real plane. You can catch it. Have a look at Qantas. If you want to go to South Africa, there's two planes that do it, QFO 63 and 64. And you can ride this thing. And here we are, after the spray, about 10 minutes later. It's still there, it's just getting thicker, as you see. There's fattened out. That'll become a cloud of some sort. Sort of mingle in with the rest of the clouds. Oh yeah. Sure, it'll just get thicker and thicker. I'm limited by roofs. That line goes all the way. It's just my viewing point is blocked by houses. Here's another one. Not sure what this plane is, haven't checked yet. come out to hang some washing up. And he's going into these. Oh man. Looks like it might be ANZ 175, but I don't know. Check it out, but same day, same sunny South day. Another sprayer. Not allowed to have sun. Just big white lines going across the sky. That's a pretty thick one, that one. It's amazing, as soon as it gets warm, well, it's not hot today, but it is warm. And you get contrails. So it'll be middle of winter, same plane goes by, same height. And yeah. No contrail. Chemtrail, contrail. And today it's warm and sunny and it's Saturday. They usually don't. Oh no, they're really insane lately. The sky's pretty fucking wrecked as it is already. It was nice and sunny a couple of hours ago. Ever since then, we caught this. So yeah. I'll check what this is, what this plane is. The flight radar. Wouldn't surprise me if it was ANZ 175. There's another spray line. There's a dinner coming out. Another sprayer's gone by. Where's this today? I can spray though. Ah. Can't wait to see tomorrow, Sky. That's definitely a trail. It's too straight. Clear cloud. Another one. So there's that trail I filmed before. Look, that's what it's got. Something huge. And it goes over the house there. Really bombed us today. Arseholes.